Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: app installed, account ready, and permissions granted. Start the app now. Once open, sign in and accept any permission prompts. Make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network because a flaky link breaks setup. Next, locate the home screen server list. You'll choose a server region. Once selected, review any in-app banners about setup or required updates before proceeding to connection options. Once signed in, you'll configure how the tunnel behaves. You can pick a specific country or tap Quick Connect for the fastest server. Quick Connect uses latency and load to decide. Then choose a protocol: WireGuard for speed, OpenVPN for compatibility, or IKEv2 for mobile stability. Make sure the kill switch and DNS leak protection are enabled to prevent leaks. Enable split tunneling only if specific apps should bypass the VPN. After settings, tap Connect and watch the status change to connected. You're almost done. Verify the tunnel by checking your external IP and confirming the country matches the server. Make sure apps that require protection are routed through the VPN, and enable Auto Connect for untrusted networks or on-device startup. If something goes wrong, first toggle the protocol and try reconnecting. If it still fails, restart the app and reboot the device. One key troubleshooting tip: disable battery optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.